2 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robin Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, here on YouTube. And make sure to check out the description box below for all of the details to be entered into our giveaways. And today I have created a tag flip, and I have not made one in a long time, and I think this is only the second one I created. And I guess it's really not a traditional tag flip. It's more, I guess, of a shaped tag flip, kind of loosely using that term. And we'll just start out with the rings here. I put lots of different ribbons, and I also included some Chanel stems that I'd picked up at the Dollar Tree, I think last year even, and just curled those around a brush, paintbrush, and thought they looked really cute tucked in there. And I put some spider web on the front of my web here with my spiders. And the spiders I did pick up at the Dollar Tree as well. I just thought they went really well with the orange glitter paper. And I love this Let's Hang Out with a Spider. Thought it was so cute. And if I didn't mention already, I did use my Cricut for all of this tag flip. I will leave a link to my Cricut page so you can create the tags as well. So everything's already picked out and put in there, and you just have to create it, pick out your colors, you're good to go. So this back of the page, I love these the boo word, where it had like the oozy, drippy, I guess it could be blood or slime, whatever, and some spiders. I think I picked these up at Walmart, so I just added those to the web as well. Just thought that came out really cute. And of course, you know, I love my glitter, even with my Halloween. And so cut out some ghosts to put on this page. These do come off, so they are embellishments. I forgot to mention that about the boo words as well. And the ghosts, I just have them adhered with some little tiny repositionable pop dots. So I've got the ghost there. And then I made, whoops, losing my spiders. I made some little Halloween perfume bottles and made those with my Cricut. Just glued several pieces of heavy cardstock to make the well to put the sequins in. The sequin mix are from Joann's, and some little rhinestones that I think I had picked up at Michael's. These little tiny nail art bows I've had in my stash. I think they were actually a gift and a swap. And these black faceted pieces are from Michael's. And of course we had to have some bat bows for Halloween. The gems are from Michael's, and I just love this ornate frame. You know, and it already had the hole, so I was just able to put that on there. And once again, these are removable for my recipient so they can use them. And then on the back, I found this spooky candelabra. So I cut a couple of those out, and I just love the detail on the flame, and you know, it's the wick is running down. So, and then there's a skull. I just thought they were really spooky, and I loved them. And I made a shaker. I cut the ghost out of vellum on my Cricut and cut these spiders out as well. And I love the detail in the web and the little spider legs. And there's all kinds of shaker bits. And on the back, I just put another spider web. And that way it covers up a little bit too, where you don't see the back of the plain paper from the glitter. Of course, we had to have, you know, a fancy haunted house. So I put some bows and some blings on them, used some glitter paper. And on the back, I just used some orange glitter paper and some orange rhinestones, put a little black cat on there. Just love how this came out. And then I saw the window with the pumpkins. I absolutely love that. I found the moon with the witch, and then added another ghost. Used some tea dye ink around the moon to soften the orange a little bit. And just love how that scene came out. And on the back, I have one of my favorites this Halloween season is the moon with the birds. I absolutely love those. And of course, added some more ghost. And then for a little bit of fun, I created these Halloween candies, and these are removable so the recipient can use them. And on the back, You can see the spider web and some spiders for All Hallows Eve. So make sure to check out everyone's channels for today and leave a comment. And I hope everyone is enjoying this series. So have a spooktacular day.